Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox my favorite box of the freaking entire world, I guess. The old Belux box, which is now the new Styletone Ultimate box. But before we unbox this beautiful Styletone box, I just want to remind you guys to enter my giveaway. We are so close to giving away that satchel filled with makeup, and straight after that, another bigger giveaway will start. And I got something really special planned, so yeah, I kind of want to reach 600 subscribers as soon as possible, and y'all can help me out by subscribing to my channel. The video is either down below or somewhere in my old videos, so make sure to check out my past. And as soon as I reach 600 subscribers, I'm going to give away that satchel, and another giveaway will start. So don't forget to enter my giveaway. Okay, so up on the inside, we got the big booklet right there. We got beautiful paper, which I'm gonna rip to shreds now. This is the inside of this month's box. Okay, what to grab first? Let's just start off with something easy, which is from Vitamasks. It's the Vitamin C Cherry Brighten Face Mask, and this is what it looks like. Now, let's grab the booklet, clearly a full size because it's one mask. Yeah, it's over here. The Vitamask Vitamin C and Cherry Mask is worth €4.70. Okay, moving right along, we've got something from Daily Concepts. Wow, what is wrong with me today? Why can't I pronunciate things? Exfoliating dual texture scrubber in mild. So we got gentle, mild, and vigorous, but we got mild. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. I'm actually gonna hold on to this one. I do have like scrubs, but this is great for travel purposes, so I'm gonna hold on to this fella. Let's see where it is. It's right over here. The worth is €6.95. Wow, I did not straighten my hair and it's visible. And look, oh, I gotta go ahead and get my hair done. Let's move on to, oh, what's this? This is from Ola's, whatever. This is the Collagen Peptide 24 Ultra Regenerating Day Serum. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very cool. And even though my mom loves Ola's, whatever you want to call it, like, I'm gonna keep this one for myself. And I'm gonna try out to see whether or not I like it. And you know what? If it doesn't work out for my skin, or I don't like it or whatever, I'm still gonna pass it along to my mom, because my mom is like a huge Ola's, whatever you want to call it, fan. This is what it looks like on the inside. Pretty cool. Okay, I know like these Olay items are, you know, very expensive lately in the drugstore, and they're getting more and more expensive. And the cheaper ones that they used to have, they are, I don't know why, but they're, I guess, discontinued. They used to have this eye gel that my mom swears by. She's been using it for like years, and she can't find it anywhere anymore, so that kind of sucks. Anyway, this little sucker, see, that's what I mean, is worth a whopping $37.99, so $38 for drugstore. That's almost up there with my Estee Lauder, and this is drugstore. I do have to say that I do find the prices of these Ola's products, or Olay, a little bit ridiculous. Okay, let's move on to Vegan by Happy Skin Aloe Vera Juice Hydrating Body Milk. Ah, okay, cool. With shea butter, jojoba seed oil, or jojoba, or yoyoba, I don't know how to pronounce those. And like I said, aloe vera juice. So this is what it looks like. I honestly, though, I can't see this being a full size. I think this is only 100 milliliter, and where? Oh, it's right over here. Yeah, it's 100 milliliters, and usually hydrating body milk, or just body milk in general, comes in these really big pots and tubes. So I'm not gonna believe for a minute this is full size. Like, there is no way in hell. The worth is, sorry, I think I almost fell out of my chair. No way. I can't even pronounce it. Like, God, I'm having problems talking. 40 euros, like I'm not even kidding, 40 euros and 17 cents. What a load of bullshit. I'm sorry. Who the hell's gonna pay 40 bucks for a freaking body milk? Like, I'm sorry, I do not believe it for 1 second. Let's move on to Dr. Eve Ralph. I have no idea how to pronounce this. This is the Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. Oh yes, finally freaking night cream. So this is what it looks like. I usually run out of my night creams like really, really fast, and night creams usually are quite expensive. So I'm quite happy with this being in here. Oh, it's over here. I don't know who comes up with these numbers. I'm like, is somebody drunk over there, or is this just a typo, or... This sucker is worth more than my freaking Dior Hydra Jelly Night Mask. Okay, let that sink in. I don't believe for a second that this sucker is worth 68 euros and 88 cents. I'm sorry, I'm having really big trouble believing that. It might be, but will it be better than my Dior Jelly Hydra Mask? Honestly, probably not. I'm gonna put those items to the test because the prices of this is just getting ridiculous. Okay, let's move on to a pencil from Lord & Berry. I love me a good Lord & Berry. This is it a lip pencil? No, it's an eyeliner. It's a nude eyeliner, which I use on the daily. Like seriously, this is amazing. Okay, this liner is, Lord & Berry, the eye pencil Nudo is worth 15 euros. We still have quite a few products in here. This is from Golden Rose. It's the Terracotta Eyeshadow Duo in the color, Golden Rose doesn't really have names. It just says 302. And I'm gonna get it out of here. I don't know if it's sealed or not, and I don't know if I'm gonna use these colors. So if it's sealed, I'm not gonna open it. No, it's not sealed. I can open it. Oh, wait, can I? Oh, yeah, I can. Okay, so this is what this duo looks like. And honestly, it's pink, but it's not really, like it's a metallic pink. It's not really like my kind of a color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this away to one of you guys. This is, let's see, it's right over here. Oh, you could actually get 4 different colors. You could get this one, which I clearly have. No, excuse me, you could get 5 different colors. So you could get a peach one, a like light brownish one, like a gold brownish, then you could get like a copper brownish one, and you could get a white gray one. So the Golden Rose eyeshadow is worth 11 euros and 95 cents. Okay, let's move on to something in glass. The NCLA So Rich Vitamin E Infused, Cuticle Oil. Okay, that's pretty cool. So this is that. It is very pretty, if I say so myself. Let's see, it's over here. The NCLA Cuticle Oil is worth, seriously? It's worth 14 euros and 82 cents for freaking cuticle oil. Like I said, I don't know who comes up with these prices. This box is quite amazing, I will say. 2 more products, a box is empty. So let's start off with a big one, which is from Steve Laurent. This is what it looks like in the box. This is in the color Orchid, but I have no idea what this is. So let's open the sucker up. Nothing's coming out of here. Okay, ooh, wow. Oh, it's a gloss, okay. Is it like a balm or... Oh no, it's a lip oil. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's see, where's the name? Here's the name. So this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful lip oil. I really enjoy this stuff, and lip oils are always welcome in my book, especially if you have dry, chapped lips. So let's see, it's over here. The Steve Laurent lip oil is worth 16 euros and 53 cents. Okay, and now down to the last item, which is a lipstick from Lux Cosmetics. It's Wild Safari. It's a matte lipstick. With lipsticks being matte, I'm fine. I just don't like the liquid lipsticks. Ugh, I hate that. In number 104, it looks quite orangey. Wow, did looks like get a makeover. I think they did, but it looks amazing. Wow, this lipstick looks so freaking fancy. It looks so nice. Okay, let's open it up. It's a brown tone color. Here we go again. Like, seriously, come on now. But still, I'll use it. In the fall, you can never have enough brown tone colors, I guess. I would have preferred one of the pinks. You could also get pinks. Would have preferred those, but okay. The Lux lipstick is worth €16.50. And I'm going to say once again, I love the new look of the Lux lipsticks. Like, it looks amazing. Okay guys, and that is it for the March box. Starting April, I'm gonna be subscribed to the Styletone Ultimate boxes like monthly. So yeah, that's gonna happen. So I'm gonna get these big boxes every single month because I love them, and which, you know, that also means that the small Styletone box I will not be receiving anymore, so I will be receiving 3 boxes a month. We got the Look Fantastic one, we got the Styletone monthly, and we got the goodie box. Unfortunately, I don't have 4 boxes anymore, which does kind of suck, but I have to say, back to this box right here, I freaking love this box. Like, this is amazing. The prices are ridiculous of this box. They're just ridiculous. But I cannot wait to test out these suckers and see whether or not they're up, you know, up to the price. And you guys will be seeing that in all of my giveaway. Oh my God, not my giveaways. I'm sorry. In all of my empties videos, because that's just not just an empties video, but it's also like a kind of a review of all the products that I've used. So I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? It's crazy, I know. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!